Before today's video gets started, I just wanted to say thank you guys, because I notice you guys are always very, very positive, and a lot of people have been pointing out to me how positive you guys have been being. And like, if you go in the comments of my videos, everybody's always, for the most part, like very, very positive and helpful. And some people will comment and say they have like problems and stuff going on. What are you doing? Some people comment and say like their problems or what's going on in their life, and other people comment back and like try and help them, and that's really cool, because a lot of people on YouTube, if you go through their comments, it's just like people bitching and whining and not really being that nice. So it's nice to see that I have like a very good following, and all my people that follow me are very nice and very positive. It's hard to come by having like such a positive fan base, and I don't know what I did to get it, but I just wanted to say thank you guys and keep it up. Hey, tell people what we're doing today.
You'll see when you see. Yeah, that's a no-go.
I told you guys in the last video that we were gonna start bringing Emerson's 240 back to life, and I wasn't joking. I know it was just like a small little piece that we did, so it was kind of like we wrapped one piece, we're bringing the car back to life. But we're actually gonna do it. Today we're gonna be replacing the two different seats he has in the car. So he's got like an 89 and an 87 seat.
89 and a 92.
89 and a 92 seat, because why do you have that?
When I bought the car, it came with one fixed bucket seat as a driver, and then an 89 over there. I don't think you're supposed to daily bucket seat. I don't know, but I did, because I was broke in high school. I got rid of it. Well, I didn't get rid of it, I still have it. And then I found 1992 seat that came stock on this car. And then now it just...
Now we just have two seats that don't go together.
And like...
And they're kind of ugly.
Sumo wrestler just... I don't know, there's a lot of farts on that seat.
So they are in a good need of replacement, and what we're going to be doing is, like I told you, we want to make the car a show car. Like, we actually want to make it really nice, and we want to make it... We're going to do it right. We're going to make a nice car. So we started with some really nice seats. So we got Corbeau RRBs, is that what they're called? We got the Corbeau RRB seats, and these are like mine and Emerson's favorite seats. Like, we were on the website for like hours trying to pick seats, and these are the seats that we both just like were freaking out about the whole time, and we just couldn't get over these. There was like no other seats when we were on there. It was like these or nothing. So we went ahead and we picked up two of the RRB seats with double locking sliders, which is even cool because your car comes stock with singles, and singles are lame. So we're gonna hook the 240 up today. That's what we're doing. Oh, I didn't catch it on camera. Are you okay? Are you okay? He was literally sitting on the box, and he just went, shwoop! Here's your shit. Ow! I can't believe I missed it. Oh, that was hilarious.
How am I supposed to get up?
I don't know, I'll tip you out. Here.
No, don't tip me! That's gonna hurt!
There you go.
Ow. Why is there a wall there? Why'd you tip me this way? I'm not doing that. I'm gonna go back in my home here. That's a far drop. Jesus.
Yeah. Look how high you were.
I like leaned back for like a split second.
Okay, now what I was gonna say right before you fell into the abyss, do you want to undress one of these seats for these guys?
Undress?
Undress the seat. I'll play some slow, creepy music. Dude, good choice. The seats are a little bit bigger than we expected. Like, Emerson's shoulders are like just like a little tiny bit below this.
It's for the neck.
It's for the neck. They have just like this carbon inlay up both sides and then on the back. And it's got the 5-point harness capabilities, and it's still reclinable, which is like the best of all worlds. So it's got
bucket seat.
Yeah, like when it goes up full like this, it's legit locked in a bucket seat position. But then you can recline it when you're just cruising around. It's got all the points for the harnesses. Also, huge thanks to Corbeau for hooking us up with these seats and hooking us up with a buttload of stickers. But look what they sent us. I literally thought this was like an inside of the windshield kind of sticker. Come on, because I haven't had one of these since I was like 4 years old. They sent us tattoos. You're getting tattooed.
Where's it going?
Where do you want it? Here? No, it's not going on your arm. It's going right here.
Ah! Hi, guys.
I literally haven't seen these tattoos since I was like 5 years old.
This rag stinks.
It does stink. We got it out of the dirty rag bin.
What?
Sorry. You botched it.
It's all good.
It still looks pretty good. Wearing a tattoo.
Yes, you are.
No, I'm not.
It on your cheek.
I'm not wearing it. I'm not wearing it.
Yes, you are. Here.
Oh. Oh, this is stinky cloth. That one's great. Please don't unsubscribe. Please stay. I just want to put the seats in the car. Oh, mine looks so much better than yours. See, you shouldn't have thrown a fit when you put it on. If this video gets 100,000 likes, oh, wow. If this video gets 100,000 likes, I'll literally get this tattooed right here on my face. Okay, can we please put the seats in your car now?
Okay, let's go.
Take those ones out and then throw me the ratchet. I'll do this side. Dude, that is one hell of an upgrade. Boy, you need to get this cleaned up. Nasty.
Wow.
That's nasty, mate.
That's coffee stains.
That's nasty. I promise we'll work on you soon. The rails are nice, dude. They look exactly like the ones in my car.
Good.
Okay, can you help me?
Yep.
Yeah, you need to either hold the seat or hold the rail, and then the other person will do the other thing. Okay, now slide it up, and we'll do the back.
Can't.
What's it hitting? So the issue that we're running into is when we put 2 bolts in this, whether we put it in the front or the back, it won't go the opposite direction. So we put the bottom ones in now it won't go forwards. When we put the front ones in, it wouldn't go backwards. So it just keeps hitting, but it's not hitting anything. And when we take it off, it works perfectly fine. But when we put it back on, it hits something that we can't see. So we figured it out. It was really stupid, really. So this bolt and washer combo come in the bottom of the seat. And what we were doing was putting the bolt and the washer in there, but this washer is too thick. So the slider, when it slides up, is hitting the washer. It'll clear the bolt, but it's hitting the washer like on the actual track in here. You would think, since the washer was included, that it would just like slide right over, but whatever. You don't put the washer there. We just put it on the other side. Don't know if you need to or not, whatever. We put it on the other side. Now it works fine. Out of knowing how things work, you just assemble them the way you would assume the bolt and washer go, but that's not right. In this case, you gotta do it this way. It works. We only lost all our daylight trying to figure it out. And we lost focus too. Nice. Oh, we're going right for the car? Just no delays? Yep, you're good. Oh, they do fit. Nice.
We're back here.
Nice. You're on, you were in it. There you go. We're not doing this in the garage because we can't open the doors all the way because we still have that table full of stuff from when we did the turbo kit and we haven't moved it yet, so we can't open that door. So we're just doing it in the driveway. We'll pull it in the garage to show you when they're done. Corbeau told us when we bought these, they were like, make sure you measure the current seats and stuff because these, the RRB seats, they are the tallest seat. Either the or like the second tallest seat that Corbeau offers. And I was like, yeah, we're good. We measured it and we thought we were good. And these seats are like, when they're fully forwards and fully like bucket mode, like they legit
I can't line that whole up.
Just barely clear. Like I can still put my phone through, but it's like super tight. You want to hold the flashlight? I'll do it. Tell them what we just decided as we put the last bolt in.
We didn't put the seatbelt buckle back.
Yeah, good job us. I hope there's like a bolt on the other side of this seat, or a nut, sorry. If not, I don't know what we're doing. I'm not entirely sure what we're supposed to put on the other side of this, unless this threads in. Oh my god, it threads in. This is the best! I love buying real things. They actually work. Dude, I can't wait to keep buying real parts and turn this 240 into like, the people just aren't ready. They're just not ready, are they?
Nope.
Not ready.
Ow. Okay, stop.
So how's it feel?
It's good, buddy guy. So good.
So like sit it the way you would normally sit when you're driving?
So if that's full.
That's how you'd normally sit?
Yeah.
And when he's normally sitting, like now that that's where it's adjusted, there's plenty of room up here. So it's not as tight as we were worried about. It looks good, dude. They look really good.
Now I actually have to take the steering wheel off.
It's nice though because like you can put them all the way forwards and have them in like a full lock bucket mode, but you can also just recline them and have it be like really nice. You still feel really high, but I guess that's just the way the seats are in your car. Yeah. Like before we put these seats in, I drove his car and I was like, dude, this feels, oh, there you guys go. I think that's just the way you sit in the 240. Like these are like super, super low seats. Like, and the rails are really, really small, like really low, but I still feel a little bit high. But it's also because my car, like the dash is like higher up, so it makes you feel like you're sitting lower in the car. That's so good though. This is nice. These look real good. You know what else I like? Look at me for a second. I like a tattoo. Anyways, we're not gonna take it for a drive or anything. Try them out tonight because it ended up taking a lot longer than we initially thought because we had that issue with the rails and we just got a really late start. So we're not gonna take them for a drive tonight. We're gonna just leave that. I'll probably make a second video of like, I wanna compare these seats to the Recaros. So like the real seats versus the fake seats. and I want to show you guys like all the differences and why it's obviously worth it to buy these ones. Not specifically these ones, just like real seats. So I'm gonna do that in another video. We'll do like a nice test drive and feel these out another day, because right now it's pitch black. You guys don't want to see that. I'm stoked. This is a good first step in direction this car is gonna be going, and I'm not gonna tell you guys. I'm just gonna let it happen, and as things happen, you'll see. But we have like a full plan, the full direction we're gonna take this car, and it's gonna be so cool. And something that really excites me about like this build specifically is that Emerson bought this car in high school. This was like, was this your first car you ever bought?
Yep.
This was the first car he ever owned. Like, this is Emerson's first ever car, and he bought it for cheap, and he, you know, did what he could afford to do to the car to maintain it, so it was well kept, but not like, he didn't put like a lot of money into it, right? He was a high school kid, like he didn't have a lot of money, and he just never got rid of the car, so he's always had it, and we're gonna take it and like turn it into what he always wanted it to be but could never afford to do, which is, I don't know why, I just think that's like really cool that he gets to do that to this car, not just like a car that he just bought. Look at him, he's not even in here, he's just like, I love my seats. We're gonna have to get something, we'll get you one of those things for here so it doesn't tear the seat, because it's right on a seam too, right?
I don't want it to rub and just destroy it.
Yeah, we'll get you one of those. But that's gonna be all we have for you today. I hope you guys are super excited to see what is coming for this car. It's gonna take a while. We're gonna take the winter and do it properly, but there's a lot to come. And the Civic, like I said, I ordered a bunch of injectors and fuel pumps and stuff for that car, so we have a lot of stuff in the works. There's a lot of stuff coming. We're just in like a brief limbo trying to figure it all out. So guys, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.
Peace out.
Peace out.
Corbeau is awesome.
Stay committed.